Hi, this cat is called Jenny, the youngest detective. Where is this about? Well, it is a puzzle where Jenny gets a word based on a sticker, which is a list of 3 numbers. And what we have to do is to retrieve 3 letters from a second string, which is a command, to create a new word. But note, each of the numbers in the list refers to the position of a letter in the string. Spaces are not places, very important. You need the actual letters. And the returned word should be all lowercase letters. But if you can't find one of the letters using the index numbers, you should return no mission today. Well, let's start. Let's have a look at the first test case. First of all, we have to remove all the white space. So remove the white space. How do we do that? Well, with the replace method, we replace, first of all, the white space as a first argument with nothing as a second argument. So we have a string without white space. Let's assign that to s as a variable. And then we start iterating through the string. So for index, and then in the range of the length of the string. And let's print the index and the actual letters. Yeah. And then we should iterate simultaneously through the nums list. So for num in nums. And then we have to check the following condition. The num should be equal to the index, and then we should print out the letter or the character. Yeah. First of all, we have the I, this one. This returns true. Let's have a look at the second true value, the V. And then we have another true, the IV. Yeah. So if this condition is met, and then we can create a new variable. Result is an empty string. If the condition is met, we add the letter true result. Let's indent it and print result to test our work. Yeah, each iteration, the next letter is added. So let's return it outside the loop and check if it is the same as the expected result. I guess not, because we are dealing with a capital Y. Yeah, so we should convert it. True. There we go. This will work out as well, but then we have the exception to the rule, which is this one. We have an index number which is greater than the length of the entire string, and in such a case we have to return no mission today. So let's actually comment this out. So we basically have to do the following. If the length of string, and we can uncomment this, is less than the first character of nums, then it should return true. There we have a problem. Well, this should be a comment, of course. Of course, we have to put in the test data. True. And this is the condition that we have to use. So if the length of the string is less than the number in the nums list, then we return this string. Let's have a look. No mission today. Yeah. Well, this should work out. Let's test it in the interpreter. There we go. Passed all of the tests. Hope this has been useful, that you have learned something from it. I'll thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.